And this is the dining room. Yes. Well, see, he got more of this porcelain from Chinatown, but they were all made in China. Yes.
The 60s, but so Kun Jim Thompson is always a party in his house?
Yes, he had parties every night. But the party wasn't held here. No. He usually hosted the party from the terrace.
Oh, in front of the house.
Yes, he usually ate alone here.
He dining alone, right?
Yes, he ate alone
Because
here.
I heard that actually he has family, but because he fall in love in Thailand, and his wife don't want to come, right?
No, his wife didn't want to come.
So the reason why he had to stay alone in this house,
Yes.
house. But his life is not alone because he has a lot of friends.
Yes.
And he fall in love in very nice Thai clothes. This is in silks, right?
Silk, yes.
That's why we call him a king of the silk, right?
Yes.
All right. So this room is not a big room, but yeah, it's from all the big house is from teak wood.
Yes, the houses they were all made of teak.
Very long time teak, but still strong. And all the decoration here. Yeah, the thing that I observe is very high ceiling.
Yes, it's traditional for Thai houses with high ceilings because it would reduce the heat.
Yeah, reduce the heat and open air and the airflow, right?
Yes.
So I believe it 20 years ago, this house will be cold. It's not hot anymore, like this.
It was quite breezy back then.
So in front of us is the canals.
Yeah,
so,
Sandstone Canal.
The left hand side is the main entrance, right?
Yes, that's the terrace, and it was the main entrance to the house.
Wow. Can you imagine 20 years ago, Jim Thompson been sitting in this table and he has his breakfast and dining and everything is fun in his life. Oh. Can you touch this? No, of course. Don't touch.
But this piece is the only piece that's come from Japan.
Oh,
Yeah,
This
only
is from
piece
Japan.
in this room. Yes. Because you see, it's a bit colorful. The other pieces they are all in blue and white.
So can you tell me about which is the inspiration for Jim Thompson who do the sales business?
Oh yes, because you see, actually he has some background with the silk. Because his family owned a textile business back in America.
Oh, that's it.
Yes.
So he has background about the design already, and
Yes.
then he came to Thailand and he found a very good result, source of sales.
Yes.
In north of Thailand or in?
Actually, his weavers village, they live just across the canal. Yes, and that's one of the reasons he decided to build his house here.
Here, that's why
the spot,
he
yes.
very familiar with this area, right?
Yes.
All right, so very good design. When the design his own house, they have to realize about the airflow and decrease the heat.
Yes.
Because at the moment, a lot of concrete building,
Yes.
and that's produce the heat.
Yes.
But old Thai house is decrease the heat.
Yes. with
That's
the
why
high
we don't
ceiling.
want to use air condition anymore. This is
Yes.
open air.
And also have wooden grill up there, so for air ventilations.
Look at that. Yes. It's the wisdom of the people. Very clever when they design the house like a Thai style house like this. They just concerning about the pollution and airflow.
Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay, can you show me another room?
Oh yes. The next room is the living room.
Oh, living room.
Yes.
Let's go. So we are in the living room.
Living room, yes. It's the biggest house of all the six.
So here is actually is the main entrance of the house.
Yes, it was the front entrance of the house. Yes.
Kun Jim always used the boat, actually for his traveling around.
Yes, he usually had a boat, right? And he would use the boat to go across the canal to work with his weavers.
All right.
Yes,
that I heard he go there and purchase sales.
Yes.
And for sales in another country in the first time of his business.
Yes.
Actually, to buy and to purchase, to sales, right?
Yes.
Oh, but what about the design that he put into the sales?
Yes, he usually used designs from patterns on porcelains or drawings or paintings that you have seen earlier.
In the room. And so he
Yes.
ordered the expert one who draw it, right?
Yes.
All right. Could you imagine 20 years ago, Jim Thompson, he take a boat, cross every morning to see his products has made by another canal. So in here, we are in the Kun Jim Thompson's office.
Yes.
So very special because this room have something different from another room.
Yes.
What's that?
It's the glass on that window.
This is the glass?
Yes, there's a glass there.
Oh, see. Why Kun Jim Thompson put the glass in this room? Because another room, he don't have a glass.
Glass, no. It's because when he lived here, he put air conditioner in this room.
Oh, that's the reason why he put the air conditioning in this, right?
Yes, it was here.
It was here, air conditioning. And then why he take it off?
It was too noisy.
It's too noisy.
Yeah, it's
he
disturbing.
cannot concentrate for reading the books and.
No.
Yeah, and you can see this like a shelf, a bookshelf, right?
Yes, there were books on the shelves when he
But
lived here.
cannot show now because.
No, they're getting too old, so we have to put them away in a safe place.
I can feeling that Kun Jim Thompson just reading the book and walking and then sitting in this chair and look at the garden and see the birds sing, you know. This is all the natural because his house is very naturally. And what about that room?
Oh, yes, that's the guest room.
Oh, the guest room is close to the office.
Yes, but usually this door would be closed. Yes.
Yeah, in terms of people who come. So, I would like to see another room, very important room.
Yes.
But time's off now. I have to break, and then we come back with Kun Jim Thompson bedroom.